Hey guys, it's me, Harper, and Andy, and Jina. So we are playing Hotel Elephant.
Mother, is that you?
Jina, what are you doing?
I'm looking for my mommy.
Oh, it's the elephant. No wonder. Yeah, I think that's your mom. I'm getting groupmate, everyone, for everyone to share. What are you saying, Andy?
Who needs a boy?
What? Who needs a boy? That's being online dating. That's gross.
What?
Someone said me, please. You say okay. Say okay. Oh my god, that's disgusting. Go to room 8, everyone. Because that's our room. The room we're sharing. I'm not even looking at the chat. Weird. You aren't a boy. Say, yeah, I am. Because you are. Yeah, you are. She's a meanie. Ah, where am I going? Ooh, what is this place? I want to go here. Here's the one! Ooh, I like this hair. I'm getting it. So beautiful. No, say, nice to meet you. That was rude of her. And that was rude of you to say mean you. Andy? Ow! Andy, where are you?
Right you.
What are you doing?
Right you.
What are you doing?
I'm following shadow.
You're following your shadow?
Yes.
Where? Upstairs or downstairs?
Downstairs.
Oh. I'm just going to go in a random room.
I'm gonna sleep with her.
Oh my god, that's disgusting. Oh my gosh, they updated Hotel Elephant where there's sheets. Now I'm going to go out of here and jump down. And see if there's a place over here if I just fall into nothing. She said I like you a lot. Say I like you then. Because that would be nice. And you could be best friends. You said let me out. Ooh, faces! You can change your face. I love this game. Wow, I look so funny.
Me.
Aw, this is pretty. Ooh, this looks better. Aw, little kitty face.
What is there now in Hotel?
Winky. What?
What's there now in Hotel?
I don't know. I like this. Sheets.
Eat where?
On room 1. But I randomly went in there so I could jump out of the roof because I wanted to visit over here. I'm going to go swimming. Ah! Ooh, I just landed here. Good land. What's this?
Num num.
Oh, there's a store over there. I want to go in the store, but I have no boat. I'm going to ask her what's wrong. What's wrong? I want to be friends with her. She's...
Hey, I'm friends with her, stupid.
Friend her then. Bubba Dash. I'm going to put some question marks. I want a boat, but I don't have one.
I can't go in there. Why? I can't go in
I wonder where everyone is.
I'm pressing E.
Woo, I'm just doing nothing.
I see a purple thing in room 1.
Is it like that on yours too?
Yeah. Look.
Ah, fallen! What's wrong? Gina, is that you? Gina!
What?
I'm talking to Gina, not you. Gina, are you okay?
Yeah.
You're falling into the dock.
What?
Look!
Can I see? Ah, I'm not okay.
No! Gina! Grab my hands! How are you?
I'm gonna kill myself. Ah.
I'm gonna friend that Bubba girl.
I am supposed to, dummy.
Yeah, and you friend her too. Maybe she'll be your friend too. She'll think you're forgiving her.
Mommy!
I'm gonna go find.
Mommy!
Did you find your mom, Gina?
Yeah.
Who is she?
She's this big building that people are eating.
Oh, what? It's the elephant. That's why.
She ate me. She's mean. I hate my mom.
Oh, Shadow, the girl you were talking with?
Yes. Unfriend her, stupid.
She's not my friend. She didn't accept it. Hi. She's in a bikini. She must have been swimming. She's cool. She has a cool. Hey, wait up. I want to talk to you. Oh, there's Gina. Hi, Gina.
Hi, yeah.
Hi, Gina. Aw, I bleeped your name out.
Gina, where are you?
I really like my new avatar. Bye, Gina. Whoa, there's no waitress. Please be friends with Bubba Dash Andy.
Oh, you're making me go. That's lame.
Please be friends with Bubba Dash. He's sad.
I'm gonna escape while he's asleep.
Hi, Shadow. I like your hair. It's
Shadow!
pretty.
Shadow!
Please friend Shadow.
Ew, someone with sunglasses and the woman faces by you.
Who is it? Because of Andy. I have a feeling it's because of Andy. Ah! Okay, then who? Andy, Gina, where are you guys?
I'm in the cafe.
Where are you guys? There you guys are. Oh, who's Oracle Cookie?
She looks weird.
Oh, hi. Hi. I want to say hi to you. You just say walk away. You can't walk away. It's rude. After someone walks away from me, I follow them until they actually talk. Oh, there's Gina. Hi.